The mighty oak. That's why they were worshipped long ago. It's still alive and well. Look at it. It's quite beautiful, the scarring. It almost looks like art. Beautiful wings or something. Isn't it beautiful? Every tree has its own person. Like, they're all unique. They're like people trees. And they teach patience because they stay right here. Unless it's an ent, you know, like on Lord of the Rings, Shepherd of the Forest. But they practice patience because it's like still alive and well. It's fine. It looks pretty healthy, actually lush and green. But just look how beautiful. Even its scars are beautiful. Huh. It looks like an art piece to me. I think it's pretty special.